Dudu was a well-organized house manager. She made plenty lists. She even created rosters and she created charts. Tan Dudu knew exactly what had to be done on any given day leading up to the 25th of December.
The art of storytelling by the Griot Jali was one of the unique activities that formed part of the Virtual Tourism Youth Awareness Summer Program for children 8 to 13 years old.
I am a storyteller, and I love telling stories using words, using music, and using dance, all right? But today's story is going to be told by Mitanti. I call her Tan Dudu, and she is a true Tobago woman. Has any one of you ever seen Tan Dudu walking the streets of Tobago? So Tan Dudu is someone who knows a lot about the different cultural traditions in Tobago.
For 3 days, the children learned about career opportunities in the tourism and cultural industries. They also had a chance to learn more about the Tobago Beyond brand, which is the island's tourism marketing strategy.
Now, I just want to leave you with this last topic about the 4 brand cornerstones that form the Tobago brand. It's really important for you to know as well, because you could tell anybody, these are the 4 main things that Tobago stands for that you could come and enjoy. And as you can see, it's color-coded, which is fun because it helps you to remember as well. And every different cornerstone has its own picture, it has its own color, and it has its own theme.
The youngsters also learned valuable lessons about water safety, tourism sites and attractions, the skills of songwriting, art and craft, and the importance of the environment and Tobago's wildlife. The virtual program was hosted by the Division of Tourism, Culture and Transportation. Reporting for the division, I am Juliet James.